We are honored to welcome our esteemed chief guest, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, from in-charge Home Department, Shri Preston Consol, and other distinguished dignitaries to this proud occasion. As a mark of respect and honor, we have K9 Audi, handled by Epison Mara, and K9 Shadow, handled by Sabo Wanli Shilep, escorting our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge from home, Shri Preston Consol, to the parade ground.
K9 Eva has now been released. Watch closely as the dog charges forward, clears the obstacle by leaping over the drum, and firmly apprehends the decoy. Notice the discipline. The dog engages only on command and releases accordingly when instructed. This level of control is achieved through professional training and strong handler bonding. Our K9 assault team plays a crucial role in anti-terror operations, hostage situations, and high-risk arrests. Can we all have a resounding applause for their remarkable and powerful display? Watch how the decoy agitates the assault dogs. K9 Liquor and K9 Cargo are now being released towards the decoy. These K9s are trained for control, attack, and suspect apprehension during high-risk operations. Upon command, they can pursue and neutralize an armed suspect while remaining under strict handler control. Lastly, next we have K9 Cargo, handled by Jigesh Sangma. Next we have K9 Magnum, handled by Dilman D. Shira. This display highlights the speed, flexibility, and athletic ability of our K9s. Agility training ensures that these dogs can operate efficiently in urban structures, forests, disaster zones, and difficult terrains. Their strength, coordination. K9 Liquor has now been released to identify the narcotic sample in one of those luggage and has identified the luggage where the sample has been hidden. Next, we have K9 Smokey, who has now been released to perform the same task, and we can as well see that he has identified the bag signaling the narcotic presence. The demonstrators will now confirm the narcotic slide bag. As we can all see, the same luggage where it was hidden. Let us cheer for both K9 Liquor and K9 Smokey for swift identification. Ladies and Magnum. It is where the concealed explosive sample was hidden. Please give them a big round of applause for successful identification. Now we have articles to the ground and leave the area. Chess is now released to track the scent trail and locate the specific object connected to that person. He has now identified the object. Canine Coco is presented with a personal article to sniff and absorb the human scent. Coco is now released to identify a specific individual by tracing the scent from the given article. As we can all see, he has identified the individual. Please give him a big round of applause. Six demonstrators will now place identical pieces of luggage on the ground in which one of these bags contains a concealed explosive sample. After placing the luggage, the demonstrators will now clear the area. Canine Lily has now been released to detect the explosive sample. Canine has now given a passive indication by calmly sitting beside the suspicious luggage. Canine Magnum will now repeat the same exercise for confirmation. Once again, Canine Magnum has identified the same luggage. As the platoon commander of the 2nd Platoon of K9 Unit. APSI Shivona Kameshila, the platoon commander of Special Force 10.
जन श्रीमान K9 का कार्याग्रहण एवं छावनी विधि परेड पर एक परेड कमांडर K9 का 2 प्लाटून हथियार पार्टी 2 प्लाटून जमा 4 प्लाटून परेड पर हाजिर है और परेड को मंच से गुजरने का अनुमति चाहता हूं। जय हिंद श्रीमान। प्लाटन की कुछ कला में पाया दिशा बदलकर बारी बारी मन से गुजरेंगे। एक नंबर प्लाटून आगे। परेड चल, निकल चल। परेड तीन तिल में डायना चलेगा। डायना मूल।
The first task you will witness is article to man. The drill is led by handler Hakikat Monrai with K9 Coco. K9 Coco is presented with a personal article to sniff and absorb the human scent. Coco is now released to identify a specific individual by tracing the scent from the given article. As we can all see, he has identified the individual. Please give him a big round of applause. By handler Ivan Lindor with K9 Lily and handler Dilman Deshira with K9 Magnum. 6 demonstrators will now place identical pieces of luggage on the ground in which one of these bags contains a concealed explosive sample. After placing the luggage, the demonstrators will now clear the area. K9 Lily has now been released to detect the explosive sample. K9 has now given a passive indication by the confirmation. Once again, K9 Magnum has identified the same luggage. Details will return and reveal the concealed explosive sample inside the identified bag. The demonstrator now opens the exact luggage identified by both K9 Lily and K9 Magnum. It is where the concealed explosive sample was hidden. Please give them a big round of applause. On the other hand, we have the powerful and strong attackers. K9 Liga, handled by Lopez Maula, K9 Cargo, handled by Jigesh Samma, and K9 Eva, handled by Jituel Momin. Watch how the decoy agitates the assault dogs. K9 Liga and K9 Cargo are now being released towards the decoy. These canines are trained to control attack and suspect apprehension during high-risk operations. Upon command, they can pursue and neutralize an armed suspect while remaining under strict handler control. Lastly, we have K9 Eva. K9 Eva has now been released. Watch closely as the dog charges forward, clears the obstacle by leaping over his drum, and firmly apprehends the decoy. Notice the discipline. The dog engages only on command and releases accordingly when instructed. This level of control is achieved through professional training and strong handler bonding. Our K9 assault team plays a crucial role in anti-terror operations, hostage situations, and high-risk arrests. Can we all have a resounding applause for their remarkable and
unwavering commitment to handling of Sri Gaspar Lingdor. K9 Rester was instrumental in the detection of explosives in 2021 near St. Thomas Church under Chokpot Police Station, South Garo Hills, Bagmara. He further played a crucial role in successful explosive detections in 2023 at Makrikre under Tikrikila Police Station and at Anogre under Jengjal Police Station in West Garo Hills. Today, we honor Rester for his courage, precision, and loyal service in safeguarding countless lives. May I now request our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Sir, to kindly felicitate K9 Rester in recognition of his outstanding service. K9 Rester.
Now up, up. Calm. There's a salute. Hands up. Good. Boy, so. There's a salute.
A heartfelt applause, please, for this loyal guardian.
To transport the dogs from one place to another when they call for duty, sir. Today we will also have the pleasure of asking you to flag off this group of 24 dogs that you see before you today will be divided up into 5 different places that we've earmarked for them, sir. I also take
and the capabilities of both our band platoons, sir. One, the pipe band, which has been with us for a number of years, and secondly, the brass band. Further ado, sir, I take this opportunity of welcoming one and all to this K9 inauguration, induction, and retirement, sir.